Where are we, Steve? Where are we? We're in France.
Got my fucking phone. I'm going to start recording now. Yeah, right.
There's one fell off, look.
What's that?
Someone over there fell off on there.
I can't even see this video. Want a photo, want a video, don't we? Where are we, Dan?
We are in Z Rocket of France.
Well, it says France. We're right on the edge, right on the edge of the White Cliffs of Dover, as if I can probably see there. Here we
See
are.
that man out there, no, he's windsurfing.
We're right on the edge of the White Cliffs of Dover, literally. Like you did. And we're going down this deep trail here, which is known as Z Rocket. Which is there.
Is that another hole?
Another hole, yeah. Who'd have thunk it? Who'd have thunk it?
Oh, not another hole, Steve.
Climbing down yet another hole. Got to be a good further to again, isn't it? Right. I guess I'm going down first.
That's it.
Are you coming? Oh, you're filming it? Right. This is a bit of a tight one getting down it.
You'll be alright, mate. You'll be alright.
Sure I will. That sounds like you put a decent rope down it.
Have they?
Yeah, let's put me a top down.
Look, you tell me to put a decent rope.
Yeah, it's actually a decent rope.
Whoa.
Makes a change.
Oh, God.
Should get down there, fuck it. Tight.
That's it.
I think. So tuck in. That's it.
You're already dirty.
I'm going to fucking just abseil down it, it'll be quicker.
Alright, he's going into the depths of hell.
I'll just abseil down it, it'll be fucking quicker.
That's it. Oh, that is a good rope, isn't it?
There you go. Come on down, just abseil down it quicker. You alright?
Okay, mate. Oh, now.
No worries.
The depths of hell, guys. No, this is a decent rope.
You going for it?
Bit dodgy, one-handed filming.
Yeah, I'll do the same, don't worry about it.
Never. That's good. I like this one.
Why don't you get down? Yeah, good picture.
Yeah, that's it.
We're at St Margaret's Place.
I'm going to turn my torch on, guys.
Oh, look, it's probably gone there. You're going to talk to all right away.
Yeah. You fell off, have they?
Yeah, they're actually off.
You're down here. That's the cliff.
You come down?
I'm coming, Steve. I'm coming, mate. Just filming.
Yeah, me too. At least I've got a decent rope there this time.
Yeah, it's alright, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, straight one.
Yeah. See what the old writing.
Oh, that's got some good in this one.
Yeah, it's a bit dodgy, them supposed gone, isn't it?
Okay.
Them supposed to gone, bit dodgy. It's a bit of the old support. Would you just look at this deep shelter, Steve? Would you just look at this deep shelter? I like this one.
Someone's got a picture of you in there.
Yeah. Who would have ever thought we'd find another deep shelter?
Shall we go down this way first?
Go whatever way you want to. Oh, it is me, look. Oh? It does. My mate.
No, I don't think it's a bit length, I've been here before. I'll fill it for you anyway, excuse me, like that. We'll go up there. That's level. That's actually good. So yeah, that's something.
Your ventilation. I remember these stairs. Whatever you gotta do, so I'll have a look. Right up, mate.
Oh, that's steep, isn't it?
It is.
You don't realise it's
No.
steep. When people look at it on these videos, they want
You
to
can't tell, can you?
They'll have no idea how steep this actually is. You can't really tell because
No.
the video looks like
Oh.
this level, doesn't it?
Got me right with that.
That's level. That's how steep it is.
That's not good.
Down a room of this t-shirt.
You ain't.
Yeah, it's my boss t-shirt.
Not good, Steve. Not good, mate. Exploring with Ed. What's up there, guys? Another entrance, I think. Got my breath. Oh, I bet that. Yeah, it's really stale on it today. Could probably hear me out of breath, guys. See the old panelling. What's that? Urban legend. Round this way, mate. Ain't as big as the other one, is it?
No, not as big as that one we went to in Reigate. Still good though.
It's good.
Anyway, I'm going to stop the video now. Right. I'll upload that when we get out.
That's it. There's another set of steps.
Yeah.
Can't be bothered to run up them.
You know they're going to be to the top anyway. You've been up there before, haven't you? So it doesn't really matter. It's always like this one though. It's a good,
Yeah, it's good.
it's a good deep shot as it goes.
Yeah, it is a good one, mate.
Right.
It is a good one. Forget how small this one is.
Yeah, it's not as big as some of them, is it?
No.
But it's still nice to have a look around, isn't it?
See it, huh? Your panel.
Yeah. Oh, is that the layout?
Yeah. Yeah, not bad, Steve. Not bad, mate.
Right, where are we going to next?
We was going off on my way.
Is there any others you want to do before you go to Holland?
Dunno.
Because that's sort of on the way back, isn't it?
Oh.
It's kind of on the way back rather than on its own, isn't it?
We could go and have a look up where that lighthouse is. Might be interesting up there, so.
Whatever.
It's on the way through, isn't it?
Whatever. Like that's one.
You see? Yeah, come button.
Someone's put a decent fucking light.
Yeah, that's it.
Around.
Yeah.
That fucking silly dodgy bit of wet street there before much cop was it?
Crap, wasn't it?
It was a bit dodgy. Only a little bit.
It's always dry in this one.
Yeah, unlike fucking the dressing station, which
Yeah.
is always wet. I think the groundwater just works its way through into it. Mind you it?
Mind your head, Steve.
Mind you it?
Tall guy like you.
Hey?
Tall guy like you.
Yeah.
Don't want to bump your head, mate.
Unless I've got a fucking rope in. This is fucking steep. I mean, without it, it's steep as fuck. At least
It
you
is.
climb up the rope. It's a lot easier doing this getting back out
Yeah.
than doing it the other way.
So that's Head Rocket, guys. Bye.